Kids, I would like to teach you today what you will never ever learn at school.
What's that, Dad?
How to receive and return compliments.
Why is it important?
Let's say you go to school and the most attractive girl say, "Hi Brian, I like your hair." If you say something negative like, "I don't like it, my dad did it," the other person will think, "What's wrong with him?"
Why?
Just think about it. The other person just made an effort trying to make you feel nice by paying you a compliment.
If you reject a compliment, you reject the person as well.
So what shall I do?
Just use a boomerang technique.
First, thank the other person for the compliment.
Then give you compliment back.
Example, Brian, I like your hair. Thank you. I knew someone as beautiful as you would appreciate it.
Whatever will make other person feel good.
Great. Now how to pay compliments.
Be specific. The more specific you are, the better.
Don't just say I like your shirt. That's a truly nice shirt. The patterns really reflect your personality.
I can guarantee you that everyone hearing it will think for a second, then smile and thank you for the compliment. Be aware there is a catch. The compliment must be sincere. In other words, true.
Even the ugly fat people have something nice. Like shoes, clothes and tone of voice.
Just be creative and don't lie. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, baby.